Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add cleaning solution to your Mova Z60 UItra Roller Complete. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, on the device station, we have this cover right here. You can just gently pull down from the bottom and pull it out towards you. That's going to remove it. And that's going to reveal our cleaning solution tank right here. And there's actually two, yes, you heard me right, two solution spots. They have a little note up at the top that's compatible only with specialized Mova cleaning solutions. The one on the left side, this is side A in blue. That's going to be for your multi-surface floor cleaner. And the one on the right side, that's B, that's going to be your yellowish, greenish color, lime green, whatever you want to call it. But that's going to be for your pet-specific odor solution. So we have both right here. Just grab your solution of choice, multi-surface on the left side, pet odor on the right side, fill them up, take this guy, just put it right back into the station, line this up properly, and then it just goes right back in, and that's it. Simple and straightforward.